caught my eye. Girl, I never loved one like